Man, you had a whole crew in there, man.
The Sunlight Hunter.
Oh! You guys have never been here.
I was here once a year and a half ago.
All right, so we're gonna shoot on these rocks right here. Sitting pose, right? Like this, right? And you can do this quick. We'll take 2 shots of this, right? And then get back up. Anytime I tell you to look at me, I want you to look right over the camera, not at the camera, but over it like you're looking at that mountain right over there. Okay. All right? Yes, sir. We're gonna save the best for last. This is gonna be a badass photo.
All right.
It is.
Ready when you are.
All right, let's do this.
Out here, baby. We're doing a photo shoot with Patrick Sullivan, one of the most shredded samurais I've had the pleasure of meeting.
Doing a photo shoot here with Patrick Sullivan here at the Garden of the Gods with National Geographic photographer Mike Tice. You can see that scene over there with the rocks. That's was created by the gods.
You gotta win!
You're gonna want to come this side. Yeah.
It's not cold, it's the state of mind.
Yep.
Okay, so squat pose, what we talked about? Yep.
Killing it.
The other way. Yeah, so we want to.
Yeah, there. Even more, a little bit more. There you go. There, that's better. There you go. 2, 3.
Cool.
Oh, fuck, look at this.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Looking tough, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go!
1, 2.
Garden of the Gods back. So we just ran through the black and gold V shots at the site. He killed it, man. We got some front shots, side shots, squat, awesome back shot, and he was also wearing a robe, so it just added this whole other aesthetic for some of the shots. So we're excited to try the next pair. He's warming up right now. It is really cold out here. Got to give the dude 100% credit. We're just beasting through.
Hey, fantastic so far, man. This is fun. I feel sorry for this poor guy, man. It's gotta be so cold. But yeah, it's going great, man. We got some amazing shots, and this afternoon is gonna be incredible too. So we're stoked.
All right.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Hello.
And then go south about 5 miles.
Okay. I'll follow you.
Connor? Matt. Nice to meet you.
And I did bring the snowboard.
Are you serious right now?
You trying to go, dude?
I would I would jump on the fucking snowboard. I would do it. Damn.
We're at the final location for this epic photo shoot. Secret location here in Colorado Springs where it's cliff dwellings and a mountain view. It's gonna be priceless.
It's priceless, baby. It's priceless.
Roll up! Roll up! Roll up! Roll up!
Wow.
Buddy. baby. Ice Alliance right here. We got the NatGeo Connect right here, the OG NatGeo. Woo!
Off the cliff.
Woo! Save the day.